What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. Back with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, it is Monday morning, so I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation as always. Now, the subject of today's video is how bad do you want it? What are you willing to do? Do you really want it, or are you just saying you want it? Because it's very easy to say, I want a lot of money. I want to run my own business. I want to quit my job. I want to do so many things. What are you doing? Do you have time to get up, go to gym, work out, and then come back home? Do you have time to get up, work on your business? Do you have time to sleep a bit later? Try and put in some more hours for your self-development. Try and put in some more hours so you can improve yourself. Because, you might say you want to improve yourself. You might say you want to run your own business, but you don't want to put in the work that, run your own business takes. You don't want to put in the work that will bring you the results that you're looking to get. So my question again is, how bad do you want it? Ask yourself today, how bad do you want it? Because I know how bad I want it. I know the sacrifices I will make some days just to do some things. And so that sometimes means missing out on a nice meal, missing out on seeing your friends, saving a bit of money, not going on a vacation. It means so many different things depending on what you want to do. I know I have my goals, I know what I have to sacrifice to get them. You guys know you have your goals. You guys know what you have to sacrifice. You guys know what actions you need to take, but are you taking them? That's why, again, I will ask you, how bad do you want it? Let me give you a little scenario to start off with. Let's say you want to save, 100K a year. You make 200K a year. Let's say you want to save 100K a year. So you need to save 50% of what you earn. That comes down to $274 each and every day. You're actually gonna find ways to save that money so it adds up to, whatever it may be each and every month, whatever it may be each and every 6 months. Because it's all nice, it's all well and good saying, I wanna save 100K a year. But if you don't wanna save $274 each and every day, well, do you realize you don't actually wanna save $100,000 a year? The same goes for the gym, the same goes for starting your own business, the same goes for running your own business, the same goes for losing weight, gaining muscle, completing your education, getting a promotion at work. If you want to get those things, those end results, the nice shiny things, the good things, the ones that sound really nice, you have to do those small things, the annoying things. You have to dedicate your time to actually improving yourself, dedicate your time to actually working on what you want to do. Not just say, I want the end goal, I want to get somewhere, I want to complete something, I want to establish myself doing this, without taking the steps along the way, without going through the process, without going through the journey. It's very easy to find problems and reasons you can't do things. I could easily say, oh, I can't make a YouTube video today because I've got too much stuff to do. Oh, I can't make a YouTube video tomorrow because, I'm trying to research other things. I'm doing other things outside of YouTube. Sure, that is definitely the case. But those 10 minutes that you're scrolling through on social media, those 15 minutes you're watching a random YouTube video which doesn't even correlate to anything in your life, guess what you could be doing in that time? Creating a video. Guess what else you could be doing that time? Studying. Guess what else you could be doing that time? Doing some push-ups, doing a little workout, getting your mind right, meditating, whatever you want to do. We have the time, we have the opportunities, we have the abilities, but not all of us use them. Of course, for those of you who want to be successful, you know that success costs a lot. Success costs sacrifice, it costs obstacles, it costs you time, it costs you effort, it costs you so much more. But you're not going to get to success without those things, so you're just going to have to deal with those things. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, how bad do you want it? Because when you actually want something, you actually want the end result, you're willing to go through the journey, you're willing to take that path, you're willing to face those obstacles, overcome those obstacles on your path to greatness. There are enough instances where you can sit down and say, this is too much for me, I don't like this, I don't want to do this. And in that case, that means you don't really want the end result because you're not willing to do the things you have to do to get the end result. Saying I want to make $1 million, but I don't actually physically want to do the things that will get me $1 million means you don't actually want the $1 million. And many people don't understand that. A lot of people, again, want to lose weight, but they don't want to do the things they have to do to lose weight. A lot of people want to go to the gym, but they don't want to do the things which actually requires going to the gym. So getting up and actually going to the gym. So it might sound a bit weird to you guys because you guys are high achieving people, you guys are high aspiring people, people with high goals. But I'm telling you, there's enough people out there who don't want to do things, who want end results, but they don't want to do things to get that end result. So again, those two questions I asked at the beginning of the video, how bad do you want it and what are you willing to do to get there? I leave it up to you. Will you put in the time this week to go out and be great? Will you put in the time this week to go out and make yourself improve each and every day? Will you put in the time and the effort to take steps to getting where you want to get? It's all up to you. I know, a lot of people are a bit confused sometimes because they think they have to sleep late all the time. They have to wake up early. No, sometimes for you, there's just time management. I spoke about a little bit last week about time management and money management, how the mindset and the money correlate. But a lot of you guys maybe don't realize that, you have the time for the things you want to do. But now the issue is, whether you realize you have time or not, you don't want to put in the effort to actually bring yourself the results you deserve to have. And it's a shame because a lot of people out there, you might be one of them, don't realize, what kind of potential they have. Some people have great potential, unbelievable potential. They can accomplish so many different things if they just put their mind to it. But their mindset is not right, their actions are not right, they're not willing to sacrifice things. And life becomes tough that way. You can live a short-term life, which is great, amazing, having fun, but eventually reality catches up to you. That always happens. I can tell you from my experiences, you can ask other people who have tried to, succeed in things, reality will always catch up to you. Once you know your purpose and your course and what you have to do, there's no reason that you shouldn't be doing it. For some people, they don't succeed because they don't know what to do. They don't know what they need to do. But once you know exactly what you have to do to get to an end goal, once you know the steps you have to take, the process you have to go through, the journey you have to go across, guess what? You have no reason not to do the things. Because that's the way that, the unpleasant things, the things you don't like, will become bearable. Because you know you're doing them because you have to get somewhere. If you're doing unbearable things, things you don't like, and you don't know where you need to go, then of course, that might be a bit more difficult. You're like, why am I doing this? What's the cause? What's the reason? But if you know where exactly you need to go, you know exactly what you need to do, those things that are unbearable, you don't like, are horrible, well, you're going to do them because eventually they're going to bring you what you want. Let me tell you a simple fact here. If your action, the things you have to do, are going to take you towards your goals, you will definitely enjoy doing them. You will definitely get them done because you know, again, where it's going to take you. You will gladly suffer just because, you have a long-term vision, something that you see in the future, something that you can visualize and you need to get to. So you're willing to push yourself, you're willing to suffer, you're willing to take those steps, take those actions to become who you want to be. I would say the best way to handle it is see pleasure in the suffering. Embrace the difficult moments, embrace those hard times. And I know it's very easy for me to sit here and say that, but I've experienced it. So I'm telling you, when you're going through those hard times, those difficult times, where you're losing out on something, where you're missing out on something, where you're not succeeding, think of the best moments that will happen. Think of the reason you're doing it. Think of why you want to take those steps and what exactly you're going to accomplish by doing those things. Believe me, trust me when I say, once you find the balance between constant suffering and pushing yourself consistently, you'll be bearing the fruits of your harvest in absolutely no time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys are up and ready for this coming week. Hopefully you guys go out and be great, do great things as always. Remember, my aim is to help you guys improve each and every day. Just by a small percentage, that's enough to ensure that you're not stagnating. But overall, please do leave a like, subscribe, share, comment, all the good stuff as always. But that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've been making. You got success to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.